Welcome to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Arduino Uno R4 WiFi board with Visual Micro and the debugging capabilities available. If you haven't already, you'll need to install the Uno R4 board through the board manager in Visual Micro as shown in the video in the top right. Now we can create a simple project from one of the examples, which will display a number of images on the LED matrix on the board. This board doesn't require an external debug probe, so we can simply select the debug hardware option and then select the CMSysDAP built-in option for the debugger. We can also set some breakpoints if we know where we want them at this point, or add them in once the debugging session has begun. Now we can use the Start button to upload our code to the board, as well as begin the debugging session. Now we're debugging, we can perform all of the usual step over and into operations, as well as edit and change the breakpoints as we need. More information about the hardware debugging mode in Visual Micro can be seen in the video in the top right. In our next video, we'll move on to the serial and Wi-Fi debugging options, which are available for this and most boards using the Visual Micro serial debugger. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.